Hey fellas, let's check what we have here. We have the Milwaukee drill and let's open it. Okay. We have some dirt, of course, here. The bearing is a little bit dry. Okay. We have the ground wire here. We have our controller. Normally I'm looking for the wires to be a little bit worn out, damaged or something. Now I can see that. Okay, disconnected it, of course. You can see some dirt here. And yeah, it was some dirt to the here on the armature and the hull sensors. Basically this one looks good, so just need to try to clean it and check. Maybe we can push the terminal backward and forward on the housing. Okay, I'll just clean it. Okay, we have played with it, cleaned it, and what can I say? This black wire looks a little bit strange for me. And maybe that was the problem. And this wire is for the grounding. This, and I think it was just spin it around the screw and then connect it. Of course, basically it's nothing bad on that, I don't know, it's still grounding wire, and the tool will get a ground, I think. Okay, I have not cleaned the switch here good. Okay, let's try to check it. Let's try to assemble it back and check if you still have the problem with the intermittent working. Of course, I have some suspicion that it can be the armature bearing. This one is wobble, and I have same armature. This one is wobble, but not that much. So okay. Okay, I'm connecting the armature, and for this one, basically I think, yeah, it was here. Okay, maybe I can find the connection for this wire. Okay, I have found something similar for that I need, and I'll try to connect it here, I think, and then I will see if I can close the housing with this one or not. Okay, the wire will go here. That other wires. Okay. It's corner for the wires. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now I believe that this wire can go with other wires, and I will be able to close the housing. Okay, this one goes here, this one goes here. Checking for our LED light and LED wires, and they was pressed here, so definitely someone was opening this tool before me. Okay, what can we see now? Here we have the terminal, and basically the terminal can go backward and forward. What we want to press it always forward. So I will try to search for some kind of spring, I think, to put inside. Okay, I'll show you. I inserted the spring here, so now the terminal is always pushed forward to the battery side, and yeah, I think I will try to close the housing. It seems that, yeah, it's closing. Okay, making sure that our terminal is moving. Yep, it's moving. As you can see, it's always moving forward. Okay, now I will insert the armature, and soon we will know if the washer disaligns the gear rust in the motor or not. Because if the tool will not work, that means my cable connection, wire connection disalign in the motor, and I need to change it with something smaller. Okay, let's check. Yeah, we can change the speeds. Okay, it looks that the problem is gone. Of course, it needs more testing by the customer, I think. But for you, the spring inside, cleaning the tool, checking the connection, checking the armature bearings. If everything is ok, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and bye.